People talk about sugar being the enemy, but that's not always the case. So today I am with Kendra Peterson, who is going to help us rethink desserts. Yeah, we love that. Kendra, you say that sugar is not all that bad as long as it's the right kind of sugar.
Exactly. I think the easiest way for me to describe it is think about orange juice and an actual orange. Nature packages an orange with other things for your body to process and digest, so it's not this immediate sugar high. So you can translate that into desserts too. You know, instead of having a bowl of ice cream, maybe have some strawberries covered in chocolate.
So we're focusing on the natural sugars. Explain the difference between natural sugars and, say, processed sugars.
So inside your body, they are digested the same way from a chemical science standpoint. However, before they get to that is what the difference is. So if you are just eating a spoonful of sugar, your insulin's gonna pop up, your body's gonna react one way. If you're eating fruit or even dark chocolate, which does have sugar, but it also has other things in it. Maybe it's protein, maybe it's fiber, maybe it's vitamins and minerals. All of that also has to get digested. So your body doesn't immediately react with that like sugar shock response. You can have your dessert. You just need to kind of reframe, you know, maybe stay away from the ice cream aisle, maybe stay away from the packaged cookies.
So we can have the sweet as long as the sugar is coming from a natural source. You have some healthy suggestions.
Yes, fruit's a really, really great idea, but there's some other really fun recipes too, like who doesn't love pudding? There's really awesome recipes where you use avocado to thicken it instead of using dairy. So you're getting really good fats that fill you up faster. You're getting lots of vitamins and minerals. You're getting a little bit of fiber. I like a chai tea at night. If you can have it unsweetened, great. If you need to sweeten it, maybe throw a little coconut sugar or agave. This is my sweet trail mix. So it's freeze-dried strawberries, some toasted pumpkin seeds, and then dark chocolate chips. Dark chocolate has a lot of really good polyphenols, again, anti-cancer properties, but in small amounts.
And we're using a little bit of chocolate today?
Yeah, we're gonna make stuffed dates.
All right, well, let's get started.
Great.
Okay, Kendra, lots of interesting ingredients here.
Yes. So first we have medjool dates. And I have some that I already took the pits out. I have two kinds of seed nut butters. I have a sunflower seed butter, or I have an almond butter. Which would you prefer?
I'm gonna go almond butter.
Okay, great. So we are going to
mix the almond butter in.
Then into that bowl, we are going to add cacao nibs. Coconut flour is gonna help thicken it so the almond butter doesn't ooze out. Then optional, but we have collagen powder. So for us ladies, it's fantastic for your skin, but it's really good for you inside also. And it adds some super clean protein. Finally, toasted coconut flakes.
Yum.
I know, so we're gonna throw all of those babies in because they're delicious.
And then we're just mixing this up.
You're just gonna mix that up and we're gonna stuff the dates with this. Next, we are going to drizzle the chocolate. This is a dark chocolate. I'm gonna let you finish with the sea salt. Last but not least, some hemp seeds for some omega-3.
This goes in the fridge and then we take a bite. Yep, I love it. Let's recap. Sugar, not so bad for you if we just rethink the way we're using it.
Exactly, you need to have it in the right form. So think about eating real food, fruit, chocolate covered fruit. To find some fun stuff that will make you and your family super happy.
Thank you so much, Kendra.
You're welcome.
We want to see how you're satisfying your sweet tooth in a healthy way. Just tag us on Instagram at LivingHealthyTV.
Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.